Hey, do you want to know what a ritual is and how you could create your own? Hey, happy hackers, it's Jodi here. Thanks so much for watching this episode. We're going to be talking about all things ritual because rituals are not this mysterious, weird thing. Ritual is like a definitional ceremony or a celebration that helps you infuse energy into some commitment that you're making. That's all it is. It just infuses energy and power and robustness into something that you want to bring into your life or that you want to do differently. Say it's letting go, or say it's restoring something, or say it's wanting to do something that's going to change your life in some way. Going forward with a goal, let's say. So here are 6 things you want to include in your ritual to give it the best power going forward. And number 1 is have something to commit to. Consciously make some kind of decision that you want. Either that you're going to let something go, that you're going to do something differently, that you're going to give something, that you're going to try something new, or that you're going to learn something new. Some kind of conscious decision of something that you want to do going forward. A commitment. You want to follow through on a wish or a hope or an intention. Something. The first part of a ritual is that you need something that you want. The second part is set aside some time before the ritual to really think about that commitment and why it's so important for you to have in your life right now. Like why does it matter? What might it change? Why are you wanting it now? What will it mean to other people around you? In fact, I want you to, during this time when you're focusing on it, to think about a week in the future after doing this commitment, or a month in the future, 3 months in the future, a year in the future. What would your life look like if you sustained this commitment? What would be different, and how would it affect everybody around you? Set some time aside to really focus on the commitment and why it's important. Number 3, plan a ceremony. Now, a ceremony is the part of the ritual that you think about. It's doing something. And you could breathe your thoughts and intentions into rock and throw it in the water, bury it in the ground, or leave it on your altar. You could pray to it, or be outside, or go for a walk in the woods, or go into some water. Go behind a waterfall if you have one available. Like something like that is a ritual because it's a powerful symbolic time that you're going to spend. Having some kind of ceremony, even if it's very simple, infuses that commitment with power. It fuses it with memory and with meaning, and so that you continue to step into it. Number 4, have an audience to your ritual. A witness is very powerful in helping you sustain something going forward. And so it's a great idea. It keeps you accountable. It puts meaning in there. They could reflect back the good and the love in you, the confidence that they have in you, so that you, by contagion, are confident in yourself too. If you don't want to have people around because you just want to do this alone, then write about it in your journal, because then you become a witness for yourself. At least you have that. Number 5, gratitude. You want to have some kind of gratitude going on somewhere here, right? Before your ritual, while you're thinking about it. During your ritual, please include some kind of offering, some kind of gratitude. After your ritual, you want to continue to express gratitude. Now, you're expressing gratitude to everyone and everything. The commitment that you're making, the future that you'll have going forward, how it will mean a lot to other people, to the audience. You give them gratitude too, to spirit and the universe and nature, or anything that you're using to go forward in this commitment. But don't forget to give gratitude towards yourself, because this is huge and important and real and really cool that you're doing it. So I want you to give that gratitude all around, but make sure that you give it to yourself too. Number 6, follow it up with action. Of course, building up to this ritual is so important in your mind and in your memory and in your heart, but you want to follow up with some kind of practice, some kind of action, because this does not happen in a vacuum. This happens in your life. And if you want to make some kind of change, there's usually something that you have to do to practice that. You have to get up every day and say yes to that commitment again and again and again until it's so infused and integrated into yourself. You don't even have to think about it. It's you now. Now, the ritual is going to help you sustain the action, but you still have to do the practice and the action. So there you have it, the 6 things to include in your ritual or in your ceremony to help you celebrate, help infuse energy into the commitments that you want to make. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and like it and share it and all that kind of stuff. And if you want more from me, come on over to my website, jodiamen.com, where I have more videos and articles on how to love yourself, open your heart, release fear, and bring vitality into your life. And while you're there, sign up for email updates so you do not miss a thing. And I'm going to send you an MP3 of how to let go of what no longer serves you. So I'll see you right here next week. But until then, stay present and let that you want to be shine through. Number 3, that is a 2. So here's 6 things that you want to include in your ritual to help it be the best powerful. So here are 6 things you want to include in your ritual to make it the best power to give you the best. Number 5. Number 5. Forgot. Number 5. Something about it.